Show you guys how I get these super easy beach waves with this Ionic curling iron. You don't want to miss it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, especially if you have clean hair, is to spray a texturizing spray kind of all over. I'm using Way texturizing spray just to give. So I divide my hair in half. I don't use any clips or anything like that. And I start right with this front piece first. And the first few curls are going to go away, but I still pull it over like this. I find that this gives it good volume. So here is my curling iron, and I'm curling away. And you're going to leave a little piece out at the bottom, probably like 2 inches if you want really that beachy look. So the pieces are about 1 inch thick, and after I do 2 pieces turning away, now I'll do the next few pieces turning towards your face. This is going to prevent the curl from like gathering together.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets.
Now the exact same thing on the other side. First 3 pieces back away from your face, and the first piece I still kind of push it this way a little bit. This will help give me body.
Send our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead.